everyone, in this brief tutorial I will explain how you can create this runner material when it seems like goes to the left or to the right, top or down, and it's like subway surf runner. You can include material or function and it will work pretty the same. So this project will be at the Patreon page, and here I made the little function of material. Basically, we are working with the wall position, camera position, and distance. So this distance we can make lesser to see the effect of our material. So now it will work much closer. It's like range. Um, so it's amount. Let's check. So it goes very strongly in this direction. Let's leave 5 by default. And I made this a function library. So if we will create a function, there is a material function. So I made this material function because now we can reuse easily in another materials. For example, this one. So in this material, I just added an angle here and it works. Our function. And to add it, you can just select your material function, drag and drop. You will have it, and you need to just put it into the vault position offset. Another one trick is to use this, how it's um, material parameter collection. That's the name of this. So it's a great place to store your global parameters in your project. So from another blueprints, for example, let's check from default. So from this one another blueprint, I can say I want to change the set color parameter value. I'm selecting my parameter material, and from this I can press. Maybe I have set vector, I think. And now you can see that I can just take this and select direction, the same what we have here, direction. And basically from here we can put from anywhere, it's global, we can change parameters and it will work greatly. But these parameters are important because we can, changing this parameter, we can tell material go up, down, or left or right sides. So you can manipulate them and change during your gameplay side. And it's a very great place because you don't need to cast something you have in one place and you can change wherever you want from another places. So it's nice and handy. And let's check briefly um, the this parameter. So if I will add this, for example, to plus value, then we will have effect to right side. Okay, to top side. If we will add here minus, then it should go to the left, as I remember. Yeah, or to the right, opposite side, to the right. So changing those values, you can manipulate and make runner more visual better. And it's great because you don't need to work with vectors and rotate every time to have not miscalculations, and it will work great and stable. So I think it will be helpful, and it will be also in the Patreon page. You can do the same. I show the code. And yeah, if you like this tutorial, guys, please press like and have a great day. Bye.